You're watching Southeast Texas Live.
Every week, we like to help you plan out what's going on in the week and ahead of time. That's why Christine Stetson joins us now from SCTX Social Center to tell us what's going on in the area. And this first event, I've seen this before. It really is a neat fundraiser and a neat way for people to actually meet judges in our area.
Absolutely, and have them serve you food.
There you go. What better way?
It's the CASA fundraiser called Justice is Served, and it's tomorrow night at the MCM Elegante. And they will be honoring Judge Ron Walker, and then they will also announce the CASA Volunteer of the Year. But the best part is that as you are enjoying your dinner, your waiters will be local Jefferson County judges.
Well, there's definitely a theme going on here because there's food on almost every single event we've got going on.
Absolutely.
Over the next little bit.
We're
the
all
next
about
one
the
is
food.
the Gift of Life, which is taking place at Chili's, right?
Yes, Chili's, Gift of Life Day at Chili's is on Thursday. And so if you are dining out, go to Chili's. Drop your receipt in the little box near the front, and they will donate 10% of your purchase to the Gift of Life. And of course, the Gift of Life will in turn use that for their free mammogram screenings and prostate cancer screenings.
That is something that's really supported in the area, which is important because of the risks of cancer.
No doubt.
And what about the Temptations?
Coming on Friday to Nutty Jerry's, where you could also get food if you're so inclined. But if you just want to hear some great music, 5 decades of Motown hits from the Temptations. Things like My Girl, Ain't Too Proud to Beg, will all be out at Nutty Jerry's on Friday.
And looking into our crystal ball, one of the bigger events that we enjoy every year, Champagne and Ribs, is actually just around the corner.
Yes, a week from tomorrow at Cowboy Harley, again, a Gift of Life fundraiser. They will honor Joe Penland and Walter Umphrey. And of course, this year's theme is True Grit. So any cowboy-themed attire is welcome. Come out for some...
You can even wear an eye patch.
An eye patch, a boot.
Yeah.
You know.
Oh, thank you. Christine is making me feel better about my entrance day.
That's right. We could bling that up just a little. It'd be perfect.
Rhinestones on the side. That would work.
Yes.
But this also goes to help Gift of Life and all that they do in outreach.
Yes, and I believe that fundraiser specifically goes toward prostate cancer screenings, the money that's raised for that. So it's important. It's definitely
important for men and women. A Midsummer Night's Dream over in Port Arthur. They're getting a little high-minded over there.
Thursday the 14th.
Good stuff.
And actually, we're featuring it Thursday the 14th, but it really starts April 7th, a week, 3 days from today.
Right.
They have performances the 7th, the 8th, the 9th, the 14th, the 15th, the 16th. All of those are evening performances at 7:30. Or if you need a Saturday matinee, April 10th, April 17th at 2:30 in the afternoon.
Great, and tickets are still available.
Absolutely, plenty of seats, plenty of performances to pick from.
Great. And Village Creek Festival, that is something that a lot of people in the area, we love our festivals around here. And that's coming
mainly
up as
because they have food.
Yes, more food. And you know, if you didn't get enough carnival rides and food at the South Texas Fair, then Lumberton is having its basically 3-day carnival, starting on the 14th with a ribbon cutting at Lumberton High School. And then it continues the 15th and the 16th, and all your typical rides, live entertainment. It'll be a good time.
Great, good place
the magazine
to take
on
the
the
kids.
stands yet for this month?
You know, that's a Shelley question.
Okay,
but
well,
I
ask
suspect
Shelley.
at April 4th it should be.
Okay, thank you very much
You're
for
most
joining
welcome.
us.